Hey there, I'm back at one of my best locations at the Faroe Islands. It's approximately a 1 hour drive from the capital, Tórshavn. And as you can see, the backdrop is of course the ocean and this canyon that I'm standing in the middle of. And what a wonderful place. It's one of my, not the best place, but you know how it is when you're taking picture every day. It's a new place, and when you are looking through the viewfinder, you're sure this is the most beautiful scenery you ever have seen. But I can promise you one thing: this is really a cool spot. I've been here quite many times, and normally it's actually has been raining so much up to the day when I went here, so there's been like water coming down from all the places around me. But today it's kind of dry, what makes me happy, because then I can walk down this little canyon here, which is as you can see here, it's an easy walk, slippery, easy walk down here. And where I'm standing right here, it's just on the edge actually, and we don't want to fall down. Of course, we don't want to fall down. That's another point about photography. Don't fall down. A long story short, another great day at the Faroe Island. I will post some great stuff. Please don't pay attention. Just enjoy the wonderful pictures, and see you here, there, somewhere. But for sure, see you someday.